SPAD-based LiDARs are becoming increasingly popular in 3D imaging platforms, including autonomous vehicles and even consumer products. Unfortunately, the operation of SPAD-based LiDARs under sunlight and other high ambient light conditions remain challenging. We use adaptive gating to mitigate this challenge, leading to higher reconstruction accuracy and lower acquisition times. A SPAD-based LiDAR works by repeatedly sending laser pulses into the scene and recording a temporal histogram of photon detections. Under strong ambient light, the sensor detects ambient photons more often than laser photons. These ambient photon detections obscure the true depth in the histogram, an effect known as pileup. The technique for mitigating pileup is gating, a mechanism for controllably delaying SPAD activation to allow the sensor to ignore ambient photons. The optimal gate would be the round-trip laser time corresponding to the true depth, but this depth is unknown. This makes gate selection a difficult problem. Our solution to this problem is adaptive gating. Our adaptive gating technique uses an algorithm known as Thompson sampling. This works as follows. During acquisition, we maintain a probability distribution on depth that we update as photons are detected. Specifically, for each SPAD cycle, we first sample a proxy for true depth from the depth distribution. We then set the gate as the sampled depth. We wait for a photon detection, and finally, we update our depth distribution based on the new detection. We repeat this sequence until acquisition ends and then obtain our final depth estimate from the resulting depth distribution. To test our algorithm, we built a SPAD-based LiDAR prototype and captured outdoor scenes in direct sunlight. We found that adaptive gating leads to higher depth accuracy compared to previous gating strategies and can reduce acquisition time by 2/3 at the same or better reconstruction accuracy. You can find more results, code, and data at the project website.